Blessings to you all. My name is Michael Allen Wells. I'm the grantor settler of the trust. The original trust was created in July 4th, 1776. It was reconstituted or re-expressed on June 12th, 2017, Taylor County Courthouse, case number 1148-9. It is now in the appellate court. When I put forth the brief, the original brief, Chief Justice James A.R. Wright received it on December 13th. He resigned December 20th. When I found out that he resigned, I called up the clerk of the court and instructed them that he comes back onto the bench. A week later, he was back on the bench. There was another trust that was created in the federal court. The federal court on January 20, two cases, 2015. There were two chief justices that resigned in those cases. In the brief that I put forth, I instructed the trustee agent, which is members of the bar, or she was a member of the bar, or it is, excuse me, that not to respond to the brief, or it would cost 50,000 ounces, pure ounce silver per word. That total came out to 424,550,000 ounces, which on February 13, 2018 comes to a total bill of $9.6 billion. That all members of the board or members of the State Bar Association is now liable for. And I'm here to present to correct this breach of trust for the beneficiaries, which are finally awakening. They will require payment. As Moshe went before the courts of Pharaoh, I have come before you, the officers of the courts, and I'm notifying you of the debt due. Thank you for your time.
Due to the fact that I only had 3 minutes to speak, I'd like to clarify some issues that I originally spoke about in the State Bar of Texas Board of Directors meeting held on April 27, 2018. The federal case 1-15-CV-00027-P filed in the Northern District of the State of Texas on January 20th, 2015 created a trust, with the trust res being 1 troy ounce .99 fine silver and 4 1 ounce .99 fine copper Republic of Texas medallions. They were posited into the federal court, which the trustees still have to this date. The second case, 1-CV-00205-P, a subtrust to the first case trust, was filed on October 15, 2015, thereby bringing every state in the Union and the United States corporation as trustees, along with everyone holding offices or position in those. As I stated at the meeting of the Texas Board of Directors of the Texas State Bar, whom the Supreme Court of State of Texas reside over, there is an outstanding past due true bill owed by every attorney in the state of Texas that have a bar membership number, along with every bar member in the entire country, for they are all trustee agents, along with every judge being trustees. This true bill is attached to case 11-17-00243-CV, trust in the 11th Appeals Court in Eastland, Texas. The true bill was submitted to the 11th Appeals Court, the Justice and the Appealees Esquire, on February 13, 2018. The total amount of medallions of the bar membership to require the cost would depend on the price of 1 ounce of silver from the Republic of Texas at the time of payment. The true bill was presented because of the appealee's esquire ignoring an order by the grantor settlor of the trust to make no further submission into the case. This order contained a penalty for such submission, as they were meant only to disclaim the trust's existence. The appeals court justice then tried to stop the appealee's esquires from filing her brief on January 19, 2018, by not accepting that brief filed electronically to the Court of Appeals. In her ignorance, she then refiled the brief the next day, and the court accepted the filing, creating a breach of trust on her part, along with every esquire in this country being liable for payment. For they are all officers and trustee agents of the court, and all courts throughout the United States Corporation. Her response to the court not accepting her original filing is also in the case records. The Supreme Court justices of the state of Texas are now legally liable for this outstanding true bill, along with all esquires practicing law under the United States Corporation. There were 2 witnesses to this fact presented in the State Bar of Texas Board of Directors meeting that day. One, the grantor settler beneficiary, Michael Allen Wells. The second, grantor settler beneficiary treasurer, Terry Eugene Swallow. As Scripture requires, as well as the corporation bylaws, it takes 2 witnesses to establish a fact or true statement. This requirement has been met with no rebuttal from the trustees and trustee agent. By their act, they have acquiesced that they are liable for the true bill debt. This same action is what the trustees and trustee agents have been doing to the beneficiaries for the last 155 years and 38 days as of May 1st, 2018. The beneficiaries will get paid, period. Notice to the trustees is notice to the trustee agent. Notice to the trustee agent is notice to the trustees.